Hi kids, myself Dr. Sumita Saxena. Today I shall tell you some interesting facts about human body. You all know that we are humans on this earth. Your mom, dad, you, your teacher, myself and all your friends. And of course, you know about the body parts by now, like the head, shoulder, arms, hands, legs, etc. etc. Now, our body has some external organs and internal organs. External organs, they are on the surface of our body. We can touch and see these parts like the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are also known as the sense organs. They tell us about the surroundings. Now let's come to the internal organs of our body. They are inside our body and we cannot see them. First of all, the brain. The brain is in the head. It is the boss of our body because it controls the activity of our body and other organs. It helps us to think and act. Like suppose we stand or we sit down, the brain gives order and then only we act accordingly. Next, the heart. It is on the left side of our chest. Like you can see a pic of the heart behind me. It is the size of our fist. It's very interesting to know that it is the size of our fist. The heart function is to pump blood to the whole body. Then the lungs. This is again in the chest. It helps us to breathe. So avoid exposure to air pollutants. Next internal organ is the stomach. It is in the abdomen. It's in the abdomen. It breaks up the food we eat and digests the food. So remember, don't give extra work and make it tired by eating unhealthy and junk foods, which will take more time and energy to digest. Next internal organ is the liver. It is the largest organ of our body. Protect the body. The liver protects the body from poisonous chemicals and also helps in digestion. Both stomach and liver helps in digestion. Another internal organ is the kidneys. We have two bean-shaped kidneys in our lower abdomen. The kidneys filters the waste product from blood and this waste is excreted through our urine. Drink enough water to hydrate yourself. Something about other than the organs which is inside the body, that is the bones. Though it's not an organ but it is inside our body. Bones form skeleton and it protects our internal organs and allows us to stand and move. Sun up to sun down, your body's organs are working together to keep you healthy. So you do need to do certain important things. Not eating too much or too little. Eating healthy foods and no junk foods. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables and also nuts. Getting enough sleep, it will help your brain to work better. Keeping yourself hydrated. Drink enough water and plenty of water. No canned juices, no aerated drinks. You can have fresh juice, of course. Keep yourself hydrated. Then next is exercise and yoga. That is good for lungs. Stay connected to family and friends and lead an active social life. Last but not least, to prevent infection, wash your hands regularly with soap and water. Avoid crowded places and maintain social distance. So stay safe and healthy. Bye.